Hello students, in this audio module English test, you will see a list of questions on the screen. Read the questions carefully. Please listen to the audio attentively, which will play after the instructions. You need to answer the questions based on what you hear in the audio module. Good luck. Sleep is one of the most important factors in maintaining good health. Teenagers, in particular, need about 8 to 10 hours of sleep each night. However, studies have shown that most teens don't get nearly enough rest. This lack of sleep can lead to several problems both physically and mentally. Without enough sleep, it's harder to concentrate in school. Your memory can suffer, making it more difficult to learn new information. Additionally, lack of sleep weakens the immune system, making you more vulnerable to illnesses. Long-term sleep deprivation can even lead to mental health issues such as anxiety and depression. Many teens have irregular sleep schedules. Staying up late on weekends and sleeping in can disrupt the body's natural sleep cycle. Experts recommend keeping a regular sleep schedule, even on weekends. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day helps regulate your internal clock. Another factor that affects sleep is screen time. Using phones, tablets, or computers right before bed can make it harder to fall asleep. The blue light emitted by screens interferes with the production of melatonin, a hormone that helps you sleep. Teens can improve their sleep habits by setting a consistent bedtime routine. Avoid caffeine and large meals before bed, as they can keep you awake. Create a bedtime ritual, like reading a book or listening to relaxing music. By prioritizing sleep, teens can improve their health, mood, and overall well-being. Sleep is just as important as diet and exercise. And getting enough rest can help you perform better in all areas of life.